First is electrical pump. So, okay, that we can take. But in this case, if there's no diesel, so we don't have any layer of protection. Are you getting me? So you can do either way. So you are saying electrical pump. If electrical pump is not running, then diesel pump. I agree with you. But in this case, if there is no diesel, you don't want to have another diesel pump. I mean, the choice is yours.
Yeah.
So what I will do, okay, this I will put in the end, then I will.
Electricity, and after that, you have the, you can say, safeguard is diesel.
Yeah. So this is what I'm doing. This we are saying that any manual valve on the fire water, electrical fire water pump, closed, so no fire water and pump damage. We are saying these three, and see, you are saying that okay, for in this case you don't have any PAH. So here you don't have any PAH. You'll be stuck, I tell you. No PAH, no PL is there. Yeah. It's not correct here. Because no instrumentation is here. I remove it, huh?
Tanker filling.
Yeah, करते. Where is tanker filling?
Anyway, this will be removed by the concerned department.
Yes. No, we are not responsible for that.
This one, right?
Yes.
Imran. Yeah, please focus करो ना यार. Okay, now we are going for tanker filling, right? So
it start from the tanker level, from the tanker. Go up. You point from the tanker.
You want to see?
TAC tank. You have to start from the TAC tank.
Can you follow him what he's saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the TAC tank. We have each one.
From the outlet, you have to start.
Now this is the inlet coming from the TSE lift station.
Okay.
So this is the pressure line filling these two tanks.
Correct.
Okay. So in each one we have ultrasonic level transmitter to give you the exact measurement for the levels, and we have 3 float switches, high, low. This is like backup.
That we have done. Come on the downstream.
Very
yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Here we have
Put a different color and put there.